From watching this video, you will learn the workflow for a bridge in the TRIOS application. Starting on the Patients page, click New Session and select the lab. If you have only one lab, this lab is automatically pre-selected. Then order form will appear. First, mark the teeth that are going to be prepared. The teeth will be outlined as green. The Indication tab will open at the bottom of the window. Click on the Type drop-down list to select crowns as restorations. Then select the material in the Material drop-down list. And if you have a predetermined shade, select it in the Shade drop-down list. Click again on the selected teeth to deselect them. Now select the tooth for the pontic. In the Type drop-down list, select Pontic, and in the Pontic Design drop-down list, select the type of pontic. Now mark all the teeth comprising the bridge. All the teeth in the bridge will now have a green outline. Select Bridge Type on the Bridge Type drop-down list. Finally, set the delivery date by clicking the Delivery Date button. Now you may proceed to the scan page. Use a retraction cord and/or homeostatic agent if parts of the margin are subgingival. In this case, start by scanning the opposing arch to allow time for the retraction methods to take effect. As the preparation is on the upper arch, on this particular case, start by scanning the lower arch. Follow the official scan strategy, which is start by scanning the occlusal surface from the molar to the canine. Then, as it is the lower arch, slowly roll to the lingual side and move the scanner in the distal direction. Finally, slowly roll over the last molar and scan the buccal side. Now proceed to the upper arch. Scan the same area as in the lower arch. There are two ways to scan the arch with the preparation. The first option is to remove the retraction cord, dry the prep, and scan the prep with a clear margin immediately, before the gingiva collapses. Make sure to get the margin covered well. Then paint the margin using the Lock tool, found under the Tools button. This will freeze the margin in its current retracted state, thus preventing it from being updated with later data when the gingiva might have collapsed. See the Trim and Lock tool video for further details. Then complete the scan using the official scan strategy, which is continue scanning the occlusal surface from the prep to the canine. Then, as it is the upper arch, slowly roll to the buccal side and move the scanner in the distal direction. Finally, slowly roll over the last molar and scan the lingual side. The second option is to leave the retraction cord in place. And scan the arch following the scan strategy. Then trim away the margin in the scan with the Trim tool. Remove the retraction cord, dry the teeth, and scan the margin immediately, before the gingiva collapses. No matter which method you prefer, make sure that you cover the prepped area entirely, including the margin line and contact points. Verify this by zooming in on the preparation. Turn off colors and rotate the preparation. Finally, mark the preparation using the Prep mark. Once you set the Prep mark, the software will automatically check if there are any areas near the prep that have not been scanned. If any holes are found, you will be informed by a pop-up. Pressing the pop-up will rotate the scan to show the areas not scanned, indicated by amber arrows. If the holes are located at critical areas, such as prep, margin line or contact points, you will need to add some scanning here. Otherwise, no further scanning is required. Now you have the opportunity to take a shade measurement and a HD photo. Please see the TRIOS shade measurement and TRIOS HD photo videos for more information. HD photo may be useful for the lab to set the margin. Now move to the bite scan page. Insert the scan tip to the second molar on the buccal side. Ask the patient to bite. Scan 3 to 4 teeth until the upper and lower arches snap to the bite scan. The light blue surface indicates the surface covered by the bite scan. When scanning the arches, there are a few things that will help you to obtain the correct bite. 1. Avoid artifacts on the molar surface. These may result from soft tissue, lips, cheek or tongue being scanned onto the teeth. Fix. Retract soft tissue from teeth while scanning, using, for example, a dental mirror. 2. Avoid excess soft tissue at the back. This may be to the distal of the last molars, or it may be large portions of sulcus to the cheek. 3. Finally, avoid bubbles of saliva being scanned onto the occlusal surface. Dry the teeth before scanning. 4. If you should accidentally get one or more of the mentioned artifacts scanned on the teeth, simply trim them away and rescan that area. Go to the validation page and confirm that there is enough space for the reconstruction between the upper and lower jaw, using the clearance tool. Optionally, set the margin line. You can also add some comments on the 3D scan using the annotation tool. To learn more, see the TRIOS Analyze Page Tools video. Finally, switch to the Send page. After approving of the order, press Send Order. When the order has been sent, the 3Shape Communicate window will become active. You can use it for communication with the lab, writing comments and sending snapshots. Now you know the workflow for a bridge case. Thank you for watching.